Life. Humans. Cells. Let's go. This is biology, we've got many questions. So let's start with basic, how did life originate? It was thought that a super being made us, but as time went by, scientists changed their mind. Whoa, but there is something that unites us all. Whoa, they can't be summed up in only 8 points. Whoa, those have a name, and they are the characteristics of living things, yeah.
Organization, genetic code, response to stimuli, homeostasis, metabolism, growth, reproduction, adaptation, and evolution. Oh my gosh, that's so much. What does it mean? So many characteristics, but I don't know what is what.
Alright, relax.
So much. Tell us everything. What else do we have in common? Just tell us everything about biology.
Okay, here's more. There's also something else that unifies us livings. That thing has a name and it's called the cell. There are 2 types, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. They have some differences and I will show you. Oh, prokaryotic are found in bacteria. Whoa, they also got no nucleus and are simpler. Whoa, eukaryotic are just the opposite. If you're more interested, then keep it up. Eukaryotic have a nucleus. They are really complex and big.
I know they sound
fantastical and interesting, but that's something you'll hear later on.
The cell is a complex thermodynamic structure that uses energy to maintain conditions for them to exist. They were discovered with a microscope, and who invented a microscope? Nobody knows. There's more. At the end of the 16th century, it was created, but until 1665, it was used for science, and the cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1830. The cell theory was proposed. Wait, are there 4 or 5?
How many are them? And what do they state?
Okay. It states that the cell is the morphological and structural unit of living things, and every cell comes from a pre-existing one. The cell is the physiological unit of life. The cell contains hereditary information. Last one, the diseases are in the cell. Cellular transportation, classifying inactive and passive, simple, facilitated, and ultra filtration mass transportation can be endocytosis or exocytosis. The levels of organization: the first, the cell, last, biosphere.
That was a resume of history of cells. Now we can talk about homeostasis, which is the circulation every living thing has, and that leads us to the organ system. Adios.
But what are the organ systems?
Well, there's a bunch of organ systems. They all help our body be healthy, and they all have important various functions to realize. So let's see what the main systems are. Let's go. We have circulatory, lymphatic, digestive, integumentary.
What are the rest?
The endocrine, muscular, reproductive, and don't forget the nervous.
What are the
The
rest?
respiratory, the skeletal, the urinary.
What are the
Last
rest?
but not least, we have the which defends the body.
What are the
This
rest?
brings us to health and diseases that we know nowadays.
What are the rest?
Health is prevention of illnesses and disease, loss of it.
Tell the rest.
Prevention of health starts since adolescence, and there's various ways we can prevent the loss of physical, mental, or social health.
What are the rest?
Like sleeping 8 hours
What are the rest?
or have 3 meals a day.
That's the rest.
Well,